Hi guys, welcome to KFC Korean Food Cookbang, and this is Eugene. Thank you for watching my video today. Have you ever watched K-drama Replay 1988 from Netflix? Actually, I already watched this TV show a few years ago when it aired in Korea, but Netflix kept asking me to watch it again, so I just happened to watch it again. It brings all those my forgotten memories from my childhood, so this show has a very special meaning to me and a lot of Koreans. And I saw this Korean dishes from episode 1, it's this scene. Yeah, the white one. It's called sarada. It's basically fruit salad with mayo. I remember my mom used to make this sometimes when I was little. I suddenly really want to taste it again. So I decided to make it and I'd like to share the recipe with you guys today. In this show, it doesn't look like they use raisins, but my mom used to put them, so I will use those. If you don't have at home, then you can just skip it. You guys have to use apple and 3 boiled eggs and mayo, of course. You have to use these 3 ingredients for the salada. Otherwise, it's not salad actually. And besides that, you can use any fruits at home and just prepare them and cut into the cube and mix everything with the mayo, and that's it. It's very simple like that. Okay, so let's start. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe me. Okay. I hope you guys liked my recipe and I hope you enjoyed salada. Thank you for watching my video and I will see you next time. Okay, before you go, like button and subscribe me please. Okay, thank you. See you later. Say bye, Choco Pie. Bye. See you next time.